Hi, I'm Carla Hall.
And I'm Jacques Pepin.
And today, we're Carla and Jacques.
That's it. Let's cook.
Let's cook.
As told.
One of the things that I'm going to do, Jacques, is
Yes.
make a wine can chicken. I'm going to make a salt rub. I want the chicken to be pretty salty-ish, you know, for the outside, but I'm going to
what do you
add
add?
a couple things. I'm going to add some za'atar, which I love. And so za'atar has sumac and sesame seeds. Sumac is like a bitter lemon, right? A little bit of oregano.
Yeah, this one is just
It's
fresh
good,
also,
right?
so it makes a difference.
I'm so excited.
Anything else?
Let's have some chilies.
This one.
Oh,
you know,
what is that?
A New Mexico
Oh,
chili. Yeah, I like it.
You're a French man who likes spice?
Yeah, I am.
Here, smell that.
Oh, that smells good.
I'm gonna put some oil on it.
Olive oil is okay, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look how smiling he is.
I know, he is happy. The aroma and the flavors from the wine are gonna permeate through the chicken. It's gonna be delicious.
45 minutes, an hour?
It's about an hour.
So here you're cooking what?
I'm gonna cook sorghum. So sorghum are these grains, and it's from Africa. I might put a bay leaf in this water, and these smell.
Yeah, those are beautiful bay leaf.
This is a Turkish bay leaf, but they smell so eucalyptus-y.
Good. So the chicken that I'm going to do, a little bit like we do in Lyon in France, the chicken with vinegar. I'm using only the thigh.
I love the thigh.
As soon as it starts browning a bit, I'm going to cover it and leave it like that 20-25 minutes on the skin.
I'm gonna take this chicken out.
Wow. Do you pour that wine in there?
Mm-hmm.
Your chicken is perfectly cooked here. That's good.
Okay.
Mine will right here. Tiny bit of sauce on top. All right. I'm going to cook a little bit of your plate here.
Yes, please.
That's what cooking is all about. Sharing, right?
Yeah, sharing and cooking with friends.
But I'll drink to cooking with friends.
Definitely, cooking with friends.